So we formed Edwards Engineering Services 11 years ago and then got more into the profile cutting side, and that's when we started Cutfold New Zealand. So we built this brand new premises, moved in here in August last year. So customers can come in here, they can get their profile cutting done, engineering needs done, and get all their supplies, consumables, safety gear and tools. So we ordered New Zealand's largest laser cutter, 20 kilowatt Bystronic. We had to have a point of difference over our competition, so we went with a large kilowatt machine, which gives us the opportunity to cut thicker plate. One of the biggest costs on operating a laser is nitrogen. If we do run out of nitrogen, then we can't obviously cut.
Brian came to us asking us about nitrogen, as he had a current supplier which wasn't able to meet his needs. At Ashare, we were able to provide a great solution with our Pneumatech skid option. It's an awesome setup because it's a fully set up system straight from Pneumatech. It's obviously got its own compressor, its own vessels, and a nitrogen generator and a booster, so they'll be able to provide Brian with up to 300 bar of pressure. This is a total turnkey solution, so this is drop in location, do your basic plumbing where you would want your outlet to go. So this will be able to provide nitrogen overnight and store it into the man packs and deliver up to 300 bars as it's required.
Buying a nitrogen skid through Ashare meant we can run 24 hours a day without worrying about running out of nitrogen. Ashare just turned up, craned it into place and basically wired it up, done the plumbing, and it's been working flawlessly ever since. So the machine's currently producing between 99.995 and 99.999 purity, so it's been really good so far.
So at Ashare we provide a sustainable turnkey solution. We started in 1979, we have nationwide coverage and we are the largest compressor air company in New Zealand.
Ashare have been really good to deal with, really easy, reliable. They give you good honest feedback, tell you what you do and don't need. Just really simple to deal with. I highly recommend them.